Hello students. So today under the fraction chapter we are going to continue what the exercise previously we have done. So previously we have discussed 5 problems under this exercise. So in the 6th problem it is Sunaina had 3 pizzas. Pizza it is. She is having 3 pizzas. She shared the pizzas with her friends. Each of them ate 3/7 of pizza. How many friends ate the pizza? Okay, what is the solution here? How many pizzas she had? She had 3 pizza, and we don't know how many students have ate them, but all of them each has got how many pizzas? Each has got 3/7 of pizza. So now we have to find out how many friends ate the pizza. To find it out that, so it is same, you have to divide it. So 3 pizzas were there, 3 pizzas were distributed, that is divided in a 3/7 one. Okay, so now let me change this 3 division changes into multiplication. 3/7 becomes 7 divided by 3. So this will and this will cancel each other. So how many friends? 7 friends. So Sunaina's 7 friends ate 3/7 of pizza. So we don't know how many friends were there. So now we have got, that is 7 friends were there. 7 friends, each one of them have ate 3/7 of pizza. That is among the 3 pizza they have divided into 3/7. So this is about the first problem. Let us go with the second one. What the second question is, Ruby walks 3/4 kilometer in 1/2 hour. How much distance does she cover in 1 hour? Okay. So if she is walking, so for 1/2 hour, Ruby is walking 3/4 kilometer, mean for 1 hour, how many kilometer or how many distance she will travel? This is the question. First, let me convert this mixed fraction, that is 1/2 hour. I'll convert it. So I'll get it as 5 divided by 2. Similarly, 3/4 kilometer, if I convert into mixed fraction, so that I'll get it as 15 divided by 4. Okay. So for 1 hour, how many kilometers she has traveled means you have to divide these two. That is 15 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 2. So for 1 hour, this is for 1/2 hour. So that much 15 divided by 4 kilometers she has traveled. For 1 hour we have to find it out. So that means you have to divide it. 15 divided by 4 multiply 5 divided by 2 will become 2 divided by 5. So now if I simplify this, so I'll get it as 5 ones are, 5 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So I'll get it as 3/2 kilometers. So for 1 hour, Ruby has traveled 3/2 kilometers. Okay, so for 5/2 hours she has traveled 15/4 kilometer, means for 1 hour she has traveled 3/2 kilometer. Okay, let us go with the third problem. Third problem is, Swati reads 1/2 part of a book in a day. For 1 day, Swati has read 1/2 part of book. Okay. If there are 360 pages, totally how many pages are they? Total 360 pages. Out of 360 pages, for 1 day she is reading 1/12 part of that. How many pages does she read in a day? It is only a fraction given. We have to find out how many pages in total. So 1/2 part of book means how many books, how many pages are there in a book? That is 1/12 into 360 we have to do it, isn't it? So out of 360 pages, 1/12 part has been she is reading in a day. That means you have to 1/2 into 360. Okay. 1/2 into 360 means 360 divided by 1/2. That is 360 divided by 12. So 360 by 12 means 30. If I divide it, I'll get it as 30 pages. So for one day, how many pages she is reading? Swati is reading is 30 pages. Okay, that means 1 by 12 part of a book means that is 30 pages she is reading. So this is about third problem. Let us go with the fourth one. So fourth question is, a roll of cloth measures 70 meter. 70 meter, that means consider a 70 meter cloth. Okay, this is a 70 meter cloth. If 1 by 2 meter of cloth is needed to stitch one shirt, that means this is just an example. This 1 by 2 meter, consider this is 1 by 2 meter out of 70 meter. 1 by 2 meter of cloth I can use it for one shirt, means like this. How many shirts you can stitch? Each of 1 by 2 meter. Each should be 1 by 2 meter. Like this problem previously we have discussed in an example. Same thing it is. Okay. To find it out, that 1 by 2, let me convert it. 1 by 2 into mixed fraction into improper fraction, that I will get it as 5 divided by 2 meter. Okay. So for one shirt, that is 5 by 2 meter means how many shirts she will do it in a 70 meter. Okay, the 70 meter will be the total length or the total measurement of the cloth, means how many shirts she can do it with the 70 meter. Each will be having 5 by 2 meter. So it is directly division. 70 meter divided by 5 divided by 2. So if I do it, 70 division changes into multiplication. 5 by 2 will become 2 divided by 5. 5 divided, 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 and 25 fours are 20. So 12 twos are, I'll get it as 28. So how many shirts with each will be of 5 by 2 meter of 70 meter length is be 28 shirts that can be stitched using 70 meter cloth. Okay, this is about the fourth problem. Let us go with the fifth one. Fifth problem is, the area of rectangular plot of land is 36 1 by 10 square centimeter. If the length of the plot is 7 3 by 5 meter, find the breadth of the plot. That means here given area is given, that is 36 1 by 10 square meter. 36 1 by 10 square meter means convert this into improper fraction, that is 36 into 10, 360 plus 1, 361 divided by 10 square meter. Isn't it? This is the area. Length L is equals to 7 3 by 5 meter. 7 3 by 5 meter means you have to convert 7 5 is 35 plus 3 is 38 divided by 5 meter. So we have to find it out breadth here. Okay, what is the formula? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Correct. Area is given 361 divided by 10. Length is given 38 divided by 5 into. Breadth is not given. So breadth is not given means I'll take it as some x. We have to find it out this value. So what happens now? You have known this. So that I want the x value. So x will become, this 361 remains there. 361 divided by 10. This term 38 divided by 5 will become division of 38 divided by 5. Okay. So 361 divided by 10. Division changes into multiplication. 38 by 5 will be changes into 5 divided by 38. Now simplify it. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So 361 divided by 76. 2 into 38, if you do it, you will get 78. So what is the breadth given is, so breadth of the rectangular plot is 361 divided by 76. Okay, so this is about the fifth problem. Let us go with the next one.